Hey guys, welcome to the show. Now, previously we set up openclaw locally on our Mac, and it requires having like a beefy Mac to run it locally. Well, at least the AI running locally. So today we're checking out Hostinger, which is like a big online platform. They allow WordPress, WooCommerce, web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, VPS hosting, website builders, pretty much everything you need as a business they provide. And what we're looking at here was that one-click openclaw. So I'm going to click on that click and it says deploy openclaw in seconds. You get 2 AI credits bonus. I got the KVM2 plan to check out. We're going to be checking that out together, see how it's good. You get 100 gigabytes. Now this is gigabytes, GB, not GIB, GB, 1000 megabytes, 100 times over, 8 terabytes bandwidth, 2 CPU cores. And regarding pricing, I do have a coupon code XCreate10. Gives you 10% off. You see, normally is $19.99, and it says it runs it on a VPS, so a virtual private server. Don't run it locally on a machine because it could be insecure. Have the security worried about them. You get pre-integrated AI credits, all this kind of good stuff. Set this guy up and see how it is. I'm gonna go for Malaysia. That's my setup right now. And I'm going to go Docker application, boom, openclaw, select. So you can set it up by default with WhatsApp, Telegram built in. You just give your tokens over there. And in seconds, it will be deployed. That's 1, 2, setting up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The good thing about the setup is it says you're free to leave the page and it will send you an email once it is ready. So it is up and running. openclaw, TFN, gateway token, manage. So they do have this terminal command if anyone's used Amazon AWS kind of situation. It's the same sort of information. So we are actually logged into our system. Let's see what's in there. It's an empty folder right there, hosted on Ubuntu, and I'm only using 9.6% of the storage. So all you do once you get to this interface, it might be a bit daunting if you're using this for the first time like me, but all you do is pretty much you grab your gateway token and you click on that open button. Boom, you paste your gateway token in there and you log in. And now you got your Claw instance in the cloud, and it's chosen dark theme because it's trying to show that it's Knight Rider-esque. It's, you know, the fast situation. So I'm going to just see what is going on. I'm going to say, hello, are you there? Something is happening right now. It is connected. I just came online. So this instance does come with API creds. I'm going to go into the config over here to see if I can find out what is exactly it pointing to. And I can see that the models we're using right now, someone's called Nexus, all-in-one AI platform for your best work. Look at this lady, she's doing the best work. So that's what it's connecting to. So I'm going to go into chat over here and say, what is, and it's model alias for your openclaw setup. Nexus is the model router provider, and it's different LLMs. GPT 5.2 is the GPT-5 family, so it's OpenAI. And that is the situation. So I'm going to ask you to do a task that I actually needed to get done for my previous video. I'm going to say, can you download me the icons? And this is a hard one. It's not going to know this one. Ring 2.51T. Let's see. So hopefully we're going to find out if this AI is defaultly having all the integrations, for example, web downloads, all the skills. So it says, what style do you want? I say at least 512px. So it's telling me that it can't download and search on the internet because it's currently blocked. So I'm going to go to Clued. So I'm going to go to Claw Hub. And I think there is a skill. You should pretty much install this one. Well, at your own risk. Of course, it's not my risk. It's the host's risk. So I'm going to search because the default one comes with this Brace search, but there's something called multi-search engine. No API keys required. So I'm going to go into the skills section right now, and I'm going to just see the skills that I have. And I want to make sure that Claw Hub over here is enabled. Use Claw Hub CLI to search. So I just pretty much asked it to install multi-search engine with the Claw Hub npx command. I just pasted it in there. It executed it and it got it up and running. It's installed. So I'm going to click new session. I'm ready. Can you access the multi-search engine? And it says, yes, I can access it. So now I'm going to ask it again. And hopefully this time it's going to be able to do the searching and downloading everything for me. So some important skills we just did there. We learned this on the fly. So I've been playing with this openclaw, trying to get it to do things. Can you use multi-search engine to search for something cool? Let's see what's going to find this agent in the Hostinger cloud. So here are a few cool things. A brand new open source drop. Boom. Weird little projects. I'll say anything. Just find me something cool. I don't want to have this questionnaire. I'm not a human questionnaire, AI. You just do what I say or say what I do. And oh, okay, it's found something. It sounds interactive video projection. This is how it's done, kind of demonstration. So I'll let that load away and say, can you find me something from this week? And look at this, gorgeous. Oh, hello, it's a raindrop. So we're back over here. For this week, the last 7 days, we found Open Auto NLU. And this is an article just came out on the 2nd of March. And it is all about, so summarize it. See, why do I need to read? I mean, technically, I need to read what it writes, but why do I need to read this whole paper? Look, yeah, it's complicated. Who has time for this? Do the reading for me so it can do differently. Data aware training regime selection. Is it any good or just fluff? That's what you want to know, because all of the AIs now, they're also writing articles, and the articles are just being based on AI generated articles. I'm not saying this one is fluff, but I'm just saying there's a lot more articles to read than there were back in the day. And a lot of it, you know, when you get into it is, you know, I'm not going to say anything. So signals, it might be real, specific, text clarifications, minimal, low API signals. The key claim data aware selection isn't supported by details in the abstract. Sanity, check it. And this is published on Archive. I think that's Cornell University. So a lot of the latest AI papers are actually published on this service before they even hit the mainstream. There's real substance with a couple of caveats. And it is caveats because when I was younger, I used to call it cravats, but it's actually caveats. So actual code exists. Let's check this out. Based on that article you just read. Based on the article you just read, I want you to write me a supplemental article building on the research with something trivial but publishable. So I'm going to use this generated articles to knock out a PhD. And do I have to put a Claude as a collaborator? So yes, to keep it publishable, not actual nonsense. I need a choice from you. Do you want something of these empirical reputation or small add-on? I just want to tick a checkbox. Look at this. It's coming up with an actual article. So what I want to do next is I actually want to get this article and feed it back to itself and ask it if it's a genuine article. And if it says it's a genuine article, then we have just recursed ourselves into knowing this is a bunch of nonsense. I'm happy with that. So that is fun. As you can see, it's all working. It's all running in this cloud. You can actually probably go to this link and you can probably access it. Luckily, I haven't shared my gateway token, so you're gonna have to just guess what that is. But as you can see, it was in a matter of seconds, maybe 30 to 60 seconds, it was installed, and you chose where in the world you want your server, and it is just all up and running there. You click a couple of buttons and everything is running for you. And of course, these guys don't just do the OpenClaw. You can get yourself in there, website builders, e-commerce builders, Horizon, VPS hosting, N2NAN, email marketing, they pretty much have every single service you might want as a small business. So let me know what you guys think. And of course, XCreate10 is a promo code. Check out the link in the description. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the clue.